So I made this video on TikTok.
Hey guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. I need your help! So it's almost my birthday and I couldn't decide on my cake. Like my birthday cake. What flavor, what design, the theme, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So yeah, that's where I need your help. I want you to comment down below 3 emojis. Just 3 random emojis. And then if it intrigues me, I will use all those emojis, like the 3 emojis, or maybe I pick like 2 comments so that there'll be 6 emojis. It depends. So I will use that and interpret it, and then I'm going to make a birthday cake out of it. And then that's going to be my birthday cake. So, yep, comment them down below.
And this is how it went. There were a lot of amazing combinations. I had a hard time choosing, but then this comment caught my attention. Maybe because the coconut emoji looked cute. I mean, diba, it's so cute. Then I decided that I'm going to combine emojis from both comments. So I then did a rough sketch on how I want my cake to look like. So for the filling, I'm going to make a coconut custard, and then for the honey and flower emoji, I decided to incorporate yellow flowers. Then some seashells and sand for the shell and the island emoji. For the frosting, I decided to do a sea-inspired color, so blue buttercream with an ombre effect for the dolphin emoji. I will also push myself to do a fault line cake, in which I haven't done that before, but yep, I'm up for a good challenge. And then I need a dense cake for the base, so I'm going to bake a yellow cake. So first, I'm going to bake the cake. So combine all the dry ingredients, that's cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, I cream the unsalted butter. Then I added in the 500 grams of white sugar. I then poured in the eggs, oil, and vanilla. Once combined, I then alternately added in the dry ingredients and the buttermilk. Then, once everything is incorporated, I then divided them into 4 8-inch pans and 2 6-inch pans. Bake them at around 177 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once out of the oven, I just transferred them to a cooling rack to cool completely. So I was a bit disappointed with my cake because I miscalculated the batter. Medyo manipis yung 8-inch na cakes, but that's okay, mapaparaanan din natin yan mamaya. So next is the coconut custard for the filling of the cake. So I just combined all the ingredients into a large saucepan. I then cook it over medium heat until it thickens. I kept stirring and scraping the sides and bottom of the pan to avoid scorching. Once it thickens like this, I then allowed it to cool completely and then refrigerate it. Next, for the Swiss meringue buttercream. So we have here 150 grams of egg white and 300 grams of white sugar. Don't worry, I'll be making a separate, more detailed video about Swiss meringue buttercream. I then heat this over a double boiler until it reached 71 degrees Celsius or until the sugar has dissolved completely. So here's me checking the temperature from time to time. Once it reached 71 degrees Celsius, I then transfer the mixture into my mixing bowl and then beat it on high with a whisk attachment. I then just allow the bowl to cool completely and for the meringue to reach stiff peaks. So this is the consistency we want to achieve, those stiff peaks at the end of the whisk. I would like to apologize, my camera got cut off so ito na lang yung video na part. But basically all I did was slowly added in the room temperature butter. Again, I'll have a separate video for this recipe. Then I just scraped off the sides and bottom of the bowl to evenly mix the butter and meringue. Next, I then added in some vanilla for flavor. This is the consistency we want, so you can actually stop here, but I always like to mix it a bit using a paddle attachment, just to make it more smooth. So now we have here our finished buttercream. So, diba mas smooth yung ating buttercream? So next, I then put all the elements together. So cake, then border for the filling, then I added the coconut filling. Top it off with the second layer. I then crumb coat everything and pop it inside the fridge. I just then repeat the same procedure for the rest of the cakes. To assemble the cakes, I put this boba straw in the center to act as my dowel and for extra support. Meron kasing custard in between layers, so I was afraid na baka the cake will slip. So here's me trying my best to even out the layers kasi nga 'di ba yung cake natin hindi pantay. So para-paraan na lang talaga. I also buy flowers to go in the center of the cake. I will also be doing a special episode in the future for this one, so click the subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated. I then used buttercream to glue the flowers in place. Actually, hindi ko mahanap yung flower lifter ko na scissors. 1 hour na lang magpa-party na. So, ginawa ko, nag-gloves na lang ako. And, ayan, ginanyan ko na lang siya pag-handle. Medyo mahirap lang talaga kasi syempre may some parts talaga na nasisira yung flower. I then covered the entire cake with buttercream and here's my attempt on a fault line cake, guys. Super kabado ako niyan kasi first time ko siyang gawin and natatakot ako na mag-fail. Di wala akong cake sa birthday ko, diba? So far, I was happy naman with the result. I then finished it off with more decorations. I used crushed graham crackers for the sand, then gum paste for the shells. I also added edible pearls para lang may konting kinang. And there you have it, my emoji-inspired birthday cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this the same way as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give this video a like and share. See you next week. Happy baking!